Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Every single day. Hey YouTube family, how's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing all right. For those that are new to the channel, hello, my name is Mysha Lena, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. So today we're going to be doing a semi-deep clean on my refrigerator. I'm not going to be doing too much with the side door or the freezer, but I am going to be cleaning out the refrigerator. As you can see, it's a lot of stuff in there, a lot of stuff that needs to go in the trash, and I need to wipe down the cabinets. For those that don't know, I will be moving in a couple of weeks, so I just want to get a head start on things so I don't have to try to do everything at the last minute. Plus, it's trash day today. Oh yeah, that lemonade watermelon stuff was disgusting. But anyway, plus it's trash day today, and I wanted to get all of the trash that needed to go out from the refrigerator out and things like that. So I hope you guys are really enjoying these clean with me videos. It seems like you are. And so as long as you guys are enjoying them, I will continue to give you little peeks in parts of my home as I clean up. And you know what? To be honest, it helps me keeps me motivated to clean, because I'm like, oh, I need to clean up so I can record. You know what I'm saying? So let me know either way. And yeah, enjoy. So when I have to clean out my refrigerator, the first thing I like to do is just pull everything out. That is the easiest way for me, especially when you're doing a deep clean or a semi-deep clean. So I'm just going to pull everything out, throw stuff in the trash that needs to go in the trash, put the stuff that needs to go into the dishwasher and the sink. And then at some point, I'm going to be struggling trying to get this shelf out so I can take it to the sink and wash it down. Alright, y'all, so the refrigerator is all clean. The way it looked before, you would have thought we had all the food. So it's all cleaned out, and that's what it's looking like. I got all my juices and creamers over here. Got some milk over there, some flaxseed, and then cheese, eggs, and breakfast stuff at the bottom. Just got some grapes down there. So, and then on the side door is just dressings and stuff that we need to use, stuff that I forget that we have because the refrigerator is dirty and needs to be cleaned out, and I buy it again because I didn't see it, you know, that kind of thing. So this will hopefully keep me organized and not buy repeats of things. So yeah, my refrigerator is clean, and now I can put the trash out. And yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying these clean with me videos. If you want to see another video like this, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, be sure you're following me on all my other social media outlets. And like always, until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique.